10 years younger with amazing coconut oil and baking soda recipe. In the pursuit of flawless and younger-looking skin, we undertake some harmful actions. Hence, we use products packed with chemical, which harm our skin and make it look even older. However, there are natural ingredients which will make your skin clear and radiant. The remedy which we will present you today is an all-natural remedy which will help you achieve the flawless skin. Moreover, this remedy will eliminate acne and blackheads, clean the pores, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. All you should need for this remedy are baking soda and coconut oil. Baking soda beauty benefits. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient which will improve the quality of your skin. This ingredient will clean your face and keep the proper pH levels of the skin. Due to the fact that baking soda is an amphoteric compound, it can balance the pH balance of the skin and prevent breakouts. Moreover, it eliminates blackheads and is a great natural alternative for washing your face. Coconut oil beauty benefits. Likewise, coconut oil is another versatile ingredient packed with a wide range of benefits. Coconut oil contains powerful antibacterial, moisturizing and healing properties. What's more, it is rich in fatty acids, which provide numerous health and beauty benefits. This amazing ingredient will soothe the blemishes and heal your skin. Coconut oil and baking soda. When combined together, these two ingredients are extremely beneficial for the skin. Coconut oil balances out baking soda's harshness and makes it safe for the skin. This powerful combination will eliminate the dirt, heal skin condition, and exfoliates the skin. Moreover, it cleanses the pores, soothes redness, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. This beauty elixir will make your skin smooth and flawless. What's more, you will notice that your skin looks 10 years younger than before. You have nothing to lose when trying this remedy, and your skin will be grateful. Baking soda and coconut oil is a deep cleanser. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Instructions: the preparation process of this remedy is very easy. All you should do is combine the ingredients well in a bowl until you get a homogeneous paste. You should apply the mixture on the skin and leave it to act for 5 minutes. Finish by rinsing it off with lukewarm water.